First solo ever. Super nervous. Alright, gauges are green. Airspeed's coming alive. Rotate at 55. Right there.
Yellow light sport crossing runway 22 midfield, Santa Paula.
Alright, watching that crosswind. Pitching for 60. Downwind clear. Turn crosswind at 500 feet.
Santa Paula traffic, yellow code, taking runway 22 minutes higher to Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 2 Echo Papa on left crosswind, runway 22 Santa Paula. Downwind is clear. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 2 Echo Papa on left downwind over the golf course, runway 22 Santa Paula. Alright, we're going to look for that pattern altitude of 850. There. Alright, there's a bunch of my family watching, no pressure. Runway's clear. Beam the numbers, pull power 1500. Carb heat on, flaps 10 degrees. Check that base is clear, final's clear. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 2 Echo Papa on left base, runway 22 Santa Paula. A little more power in there. Aim for the water tower. 20 degrees flaps. Check final, final's clear. For 60, get my legs start shaking. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 2 Echo Papa on final runway 22 Santa Paula. More of that power.
Yellow code, left base for 22 Santa Paula.
Sun right in my eyes. Hey, one down.